Welcome to the unboxing of the Soulaca 22-inch waterproof mirror TV. Inside this well-protected package, you'll find the TV securely nestled within foam padding and packed in both an inner carton and an outer mailing carton. As we open the box, we discover 2 bags of essential accessories, including a user manual, magic remote control cover gel, remote control holder, installing screws, and a leakage protection power cord. This package also includes an easy-to-use wall mounting or recessed bracket, designed for simple installation. The TV offers a variety of connections, including Ethernet input, Optical Audio Out, V connections, 2 USB ports, 3 HDMI ports, 1 with CEC and ARC TV tuner signal input, and an earphone output. Installing the TV is straightforward. Just mount the bracket on the wall or recess it. Then hang the TV onto the bracket effortlessly.